In today's video, I'm going to teach you OpenManus local setup on your computer. By the end, you'll have OpenManus running locally and know how to verify everything is working with a quick test prompt. Start by opening the official OpenManus local setup guide video. Keep it visible so you can pause and follow along at your own pace. We'll mirror the process shown there, so having it handy will make each step smoother and help you match commands and options exactly as demonstrated. Next, prepare your computer with the tools and dependencies the tutorial lists. Make sure you can open a terminal or command prompt with the right permissions and confirm that the required versions of the tools are installed, just like the guide specifies. If the tutorial calls out specific versions, use those to avoid compatibility issues. A quick check now will save you time later if a package or runtime isn't recognized. When your system is ready, download or clone the OpenManus project locally. If you prefer a one-time download, grab the compressed archive and extract it to a convenient folder. If you're comfortable with version control, use a clone command so you can easily pull updates in the future. Either way, you should end up with the project folder available on your machine. Open your terminal and navigate into the project directory. From here, follow the setup commands exactly as shown in the guide. These typically install dependencies and prepare the project for a first run. Let each command finish before moving on, and watch the terminal output for any warnings. If something fails, compare your command against the guide for typos, confirm you're in the correct folder, and rerun it once your environment matches the tutorial's prerequisites. Now configure any required environment settings or keys. The guide will point you to a configuration file, often an example file you duplicate and rename. Place your own values where the placeholders are indicated by the tutorial. Keep these details private and stored locally. Don't share or commit them anywhere. With configuration in place, run OpenManus on your local machine using the start command from the guide. Give it a moment to initialize. If your system prompts you to allow access through a firewall, approve it so the local service can respond. The guide will note the local address to open in your browser. Finally, test a simple prompt to confirm it's working. Type a short, clear prompt and submit it. You should see a response appear and logs reflect activity. If not, double-check your configuration file and the terminal for helpful messages. That's it. OpenManus is now running locally, ready for you to explore.